Moving into 2025 and your 50s, 60s, 70s, living your legacy life, what workshops would you request? Your legacy story matters. Inspire generations with your wisdom in 2025. Turn life lessons into legacy gifts. Why your wisdom is priceless in 2025. Age with purpose. Make 2025 the year your legacy takes flight. From experience to inspiration, the power of your legacy contributions for the next generation in 2025. Your legacy contribution starts now. Share insight and lead in 2025. Having shared some of the titles for the workshops, I just want to give you a little bit more background to go with it. I'm asking about the workshops is because on Saturdays at 10 a.m. Mountain Calgary time, I offer an 89-minute, that's the max, workshop. Now, if there's no one in attendance, sometimes I can move through pretty quickly. If there are people in attendance, we enjoy ourselves. So it's live and it includes the Q&A. So I wanted to put out through the channel these five possibilities to which I want to add a little bit more to each of the titles. Your legacy story matters, inspire generations with your wisdom, is that persons can go to search engines, grab what they want in answer to the questions, but they may not be able to have the color that you can bring because of the background stories that you can share. So often, the unique journey you've been on, being able to use the coloring palette that you have can assist others. Turn life lessons into legacy gifts. Why your wisdom is priceless in 2025. The gifts here, legacy is about gifting your time, effort, and money so that others can learn something from you. Now, the time and effort are fairly obvious. You can do it a lot of different ways, as evident in the picture here. Also, it's writing legacy notes and letters explaining why you're passing along what you want to pass along. So it isn't always about the money aspect, it can be these small contributions that can bring to life who you are and sharing your values along the way. Age with purpose. Make 2025 the year your legacy takes flight. I was using this idea of flying, in other words, moving a greater distance. If you think ABC, A to C through B. Now, often a B could be a bridge, but could it be a bus or a boat and take you even greater distances? What's the possibility here for you of the action you can take, the optimism that you can share? From experience to inspiration, the power of your legacy contributions for the next generation. When you think about those who are to arrive, in other words, they haven't arrived yet, and you think about them, what is it from your experience that you could give to them that would be inspiration? For example, maybe you're really great in the outdoors and persons new to Canada don't know the weather. What could you offer them to help them to acclimatize, to enjoy nature and not be scared of it? Your legacy contribution starts now. Share, inspire, lead in 2025. Sometimes what you could do is every month provide an insight about living where you live, doing activities in your area that would be of great value to others. Now, you could do it for 20s and 30s, you could do it for other 50s, 60s, 70s. The possibility is endless here. You could write those wonderful prompt books. Having shared these ideas with you, these titles with you, and just a little bit more about each one, is there one of those that blinks like a neon sign at a diner? Or can you edit them, add, alter, delete, and make suggestions in the comments section? I would appreciate hearing from you. I'm going to take up one or two of these. I haven't quite decided yet. That's why I'm asking you. Take care. Please comment and subscribe. But most of all, please watch lots of the channel videos.